Imagine waking up tomorrow, logging into work, and realizing the person sitting next to you is suddenly doing the job of 3 people. They aren't staying up all night, they don't have a secret genius IQ. They've simply figured out how to use AI to do their heavy lifting. It brings up an uncomfortable question. Is the real threat a piece of software coming for your desk, or is it something entirely different? The truth is, an algorithm probably won't replace you directly, but a human being who knows how to wield that algorithm will absolutely replace the version of you who doesn't. This timeline shows the old formula we all learned for career security. You go to college, get a degree, find a job, and work hard. The longer you sit in the seat, the more experience you gain, and you slowly climb the ladder. Artificial intelligence breaks that exact progression. Simply having 10 years on a resume no longer guarantees you produce the best work. Look at this chart comparing two employees. Employee A has 10 years of experience, producing at a steady rate. Employee B only has 3 years of experience, but because they use AI to automate reporting, research competitors, and structure data, their output eclipses the veteran in a fraction of the time. The market is adjusting to this reality. It no longer rewards the person who has been doing the same task the longest. It rewards the person who orchestrates technology to produce superior results. Asking if a machine will replace your specific profession is the wrong way to look at the problem, because jobs are not single, solid things. This visual demonstrates how to think about work. Your job is a collection of atomic units called tasks. AI targets tasks, not titles. Vulnerable tasks like drafting emails and sorting data go in one bucket. The second bucket, contextualizing data and building trust, remains distinctly human. By mapping out your daily routine and identifying which of your tasks fall into that first bucket, you stop competing against the technology. You become the manager overseeing it. This equation represents the new formula for workplace value. It's a multiplier. You take an artificial intelligence tool and combine it with a specific human domain skill, like marketing, finance, or design. Having information used to be a premium skill. Writing a coherent first draft took hours of labor. Now, large language models can generate those things instantly, turning raw data and basic documents into cheap commodities. What becomes scarce, and therefore highly valuable, are the distinctly human elements: judgment, creative problem-solving, leadership, communication. You are no longer paid to generate raw text or pull a spreadsheet. Your market value is strictly determined by your ability to decide what that information actually means for a business. The global economy is permanently splitting into two groups: professionals who use AI to work faster and those who don't. Telling yourself you will learn these tools later is a trap. The software does not pause to let the workforce catch up. This graph shows the math of adoption. Early adopters compound their efficiency every month, gaining an insurmountable lead over time. The latecomers stay completely flat, trying to compete using the old methods. You don't need a PhD in computer science. You don't need to know how to train a neural network. You only need to use the available tools better than the average peer in your specific industry, which leads to a strict 30-day challenge. Ignore the noise of 50 different apps launching every week. Pick exactly one tool. Commit to it for the next 30 days. Deploy this single tool every morning to automate one repetitive chore or to accelerate one piece of research. At the end of the month, grade your results. Did it make you faster? Did it allow you to spend your time generating higher value work? Someone armed with AI will absolutely take over the role you have right now. The only choice left is whether that replacement will be a stranger or if it will be you.